Let's see how we can use generative AI features to generate code using Google Colab. So let's go to Google Colab straight away, colab.research.google.com. And here we go. So I have already logged into the Gmail. So from here, you open a new notebook. So here we go. So I have this option here, start coding or generate with AI. So you can also uh, enable this by going to AI code assistance and then click on this checkbox consented to use AI generative AI features. So let's see how Google Colab is able to help us with code assist. Let's simply give a very simple program. So let's say create a list with 5 elements and print it. So let's say create a list with 5 elements and print it. And here we go. So we got this 5 elements. We're having this printed. So here we go. So we have these 5 elements. Let's create a probably a dictionary. Create a simple dictionary with 3 elements and print it. So here we go. So we have a dictionary of 3 elements. And the dictionary get printed. So these are some very simple examples. Let's do something a little bit more complex. So we can say, let's say create a stack data structure using a list. So I have this stack data structure here. If you want to pop a particular element, so as we have in the stack, so when you append something to the list, it actually puts at the back, and then when we pop something from the list, which takes out from the top. So it behaves like a stack, as you know. So we can write little more complex programs as well. So let's say that I want to generate print all the primes from 2 to 100, right? Let's say we'll print all the primes from 2 to 100, and here we go. So we have all the prime numbers. We can actually slightly change this so that all the numbers get printed in the same line. So if you want to do this slightly differently, so let's say I use this generate option here, and then I say print all the primes from 2 to 100, and then click on the generate option here. So you can also do this way. So if you want to have a slightly uh, a difficult problem to solve, let's say that create a solution for a two sum problem, return the indices of the array which adds up to the target. So I'm asking it to create a two sum problem, and it is returning as the indices. So I hope you had an idea of how to use Google Colab to generate your own code and then use it as a tool in your coding. Thanks a lot.